Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make mofongo.
So for this, of course, you need some plantains, garlic, fried pork belly, chicharron, and mortar and pesto. And you also need salt and butter. And you also need oil to fry your plantains. Alright, so very, very carefully, we're just going to run the knife along these lines here, like this, very carefully with the tip of the knife. All the way through. And then back down around. And then you're just gonna lift the bottom up and pull. And if the plantain gives you a hard time to peel it, just run it under water. And then you can also run your finger inside the plantain skin. And you're just gonna repeat. And you're gonna pull and lift. So once you have your plantains all peeled, you're just gonna cut them up into little pieces. So we're gonna fry this all the way through. We're not gonna do how we do the plantains, that we fry it, we mash it, and then we fry it again. We're gonna try and cook this all the way through. A lot of people get mofongo and mango confused, and it's different. Mango is just boiled plantains mashed up, and mofongo is fried plantains mashed up with garlic and chicharron. If you didn't know the difference, now you know. Alright, so right now I'm just gonna chop up this pork. You just want little pieces. Alright, and the amount of garlic that you're gonna use is up to you. I'm just gonna use 1 clove per serving. Once your oil is hot, okay, so very carefully just place your plantains inside the pot. I always prefer to deep fry the plantains just because it's a lot faster. And now we're gonna turn down the heat to medium.
And I'm gonna fry this till it's all the way cooked in the inside. And guys, please don't ever walk away from your kitchen, especially when you're frying anything.
So while the plantains are still being fried, I'm just gonna go ahead and mash up my garlic. And now I'm just adding some pork. And I'm gonna mash that in there like that. If you want to check if your plantain is fully fried in the inside, just take one out carefully and just cut it open. And as you can tell right here, it's not the same color on the outside as it is on the inside, so it's obviously not done yet. So it'll need a few more minutes. Alright, so before we add the plantains, I'm gonna throw the butter in there, and then I'm gonna start adding the plantain. Okay, so once your plantains are fully cooked inside and out, start adding them in little by little, because if you add them all in at once, it's just gonna overflow. So we're just gonna mash this down and try and mix in everything that's in the bottom. Try and mix it in there. Okay, so I added a little more butter, and now I'm gonna add some salt. And then continue to mix it until the butter is melted. And that's it, you're done. Alright guys, there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.